Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Handscape, a company recommended by Apple's co-founder Steve Wozniak, recently announced their second-generation gamepad that brings many innovations to the gamepad market. If you are a senior gamer, you may know that traditional gamepads are bulky and inconvenient to carry around. Also, you can only use 2 fingers to control gaming, restricting movement. What's more, playing many hours can lead your smartphone to overheat. The Handscape MUJA hopes to solve these disadvantages with its design, multi-finger support, heat dissipation, Bluetooth connection and more. The MUJA Gamepad supports both iOS and Android and its 450 mAh battery supports 36 hours of continuous gaming and 56 hours of standby time. And heat dissipation can keep your phone temperature to an acceptable level and improve operational efficiency. Of course, ergonomy is the most important feature as it attaches on the back of the phone and has a touch surface so that you can use both this and the display while playing. The stick-on design sticks tightly on your phone to expand so there is no fear it will fall off, and it comes with 4 customized keys that can keep you ahead of other players. There's more, but the company wants to keep some secrets for later. So, after 2015 when Handscape released its first-gen handy case for iPhone, iPad on Kickstarter when it managed to pledge $305,441 from 637 backers, they are now ready to launch the MUJA on Indiegogo. It has evolved to a universal gamepad with more advanced features and the future seems promising. It is said that it will launch on January 30th and the super early bird price will be set at $49 for a limited 500 units. The early bird price will be $59, and the retail price is set at $99. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.